Okay friends, I'm so happy to have you back to my channel today. My name is Kalisto Tonyochi and I make videos on tech and how to make money on the internet. So guys, in this video I am going to teach you how to set stop loss and take profit in OKX futures trading. So I started this trade for the course of this tutorial. So I have an open trade that is currently running already. So to set stop loss or to set take profit, while on this positions tab, I'm going to click on TP/SL here. So guys, here I will click on TP/SL. Okay, I will say okay, and then I'll click on entire position. Alright, so from here I can set the price I want my stop loss to be. So let's assume I want it to be at 1.009 or something there about. I'll put 1.009, right? And then I want my take profit to be at 0.93. Alright, so I will simply click on confirm, alright, to confirm the entire transaction. So that's it guys, my stop loss and take profit has been set. So once the trade hits either of them, then it will be executed. So thank you guys for watching.